Here's how to create colorful shadow text in Canva. Start by adding a single letter as text. Choose a bold font and apply a colorful gradient dip from the Color menu. Go to the Effects panel and apply a shadow effect. Adjust the shadow's direction, blur, and distance to create a soft, offset shadow behind your letter. Duplicate the styled letter to spell your full word, changing each character. Arrange the letters so they slightly overlap. You can customize the gradient color of each letter individually. Once arranged, select all letters and group them together. Finally, change your page background color to make your vibrant text stand out.